Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to watch ZDF TV outside of Germany. To watch ZDF you need to be in Germany. Now let me just go to Google and type ZDF and here is the site. Now if I click on live TV, I don't have access to watch it. They mention this here. The reason is because I am not in Germany. And to deal with this issue, I need to use a VPN. VPN will allow me to change my location. I use IVACY VPN. It's very easy to use and it works very well with ZDF. I will leave the link in the description below if you want to check it out. Here is the app. Then just I need to connect to Germany. And then click to connect. It's already connected now. You can see your location, Germany. Now let me go to Google again and type ZDF and check the site again. And now click Live TV. You can see now I have access to watch it because ZDF they think that I am in Germany and I can access and watch it. I can have access for all the site. I hope this video is helpful and don't forget to check the link in the description below. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.